Hello everybody, welcome back. So yesterday we were saying that Bitcoin was looking quite good, crypto generally was looking quite good, but stocks not so much. So we saw ourselves move up, and we were back above this trend line, above all moving averages, just trading up towards the 200 simple and exponential on the 4-hourly. So basically a death cross, basically a death cross retest. We haven't seen one of those since all the way back down here where we did get rejected. Anyway, sort of got faded, didn't it? Really, and again, stocks doing exactly the same thing. And if you look at both of these charts from yesterday, stocks were the worst. So stocks moved up to a 200 exponential, rejected from there. Now we're getting rejected from a 10 exponential. I suppose you should only imagine a bit more pullback, but there is some sort of support. I don't know why it's happening, but some kind of support taking place on the 7 simple moving average. So maybe you do see a green Friday. So we're just going to come down by another $20 basically on the S&P, and then bounce up from there, maybe closing towards 5,750. Maybe. Again, I'm not saying that that's definitely the deal. Moving on to Bitcoin though, so we're up significantly actually, decent close, and so this is where we were yesterday. We saw ourselves close above the 20 and the 21, and then we saw ourselves close down below it all again. Today we've woken up on the 10 exponential and on the 7 simple, so similar to stocks but not quite the same. So look, I mean, it doesn't look great. It doesn't look massively bad, but it doesn't look great. From a day-to-day trading perspective, we're hanging on a Bollinger Band on both of these 4-hourlies, right? So as of this very moment in time, right now, at 10 to 7 in the morning, Greenwich Mean Time, there is a position to take here. There is. With a tight stop loss, this is a position right now. Bang. 84,000 basically. Same thing with stocks. That's what it is at 10 to 7 in the morning at this current price, right? That's what it is. But you might be watching this at 10 past 9. You might be watching it at 1:30. You might not even watch it till tomorrow. So, and again, I'm not here to make signals or anything like that. That's not what it's about. But I'm just saying, we're sitting at support on a 4-hourly. If you're going to bounce, get a higher low from anywhere, it would be from here. Reclaimed the Bollinger. Retested the Bollinger, higher low from the Bollinger, higher high towards 88,000. That's what that would do, But if it doesn't do that, don't get too upset. You'll be all right so long as your stop losses are appropriate. Same thing with the S&P. Retested the Bollinger, down to the Bollinger, higher low from the Bollinger, higher high from the Bollinger. So, the dailies make it look sad, and that's fine, because if you're focused on a daily chart, it's sad. And you have a right to be sad, because that's what the daily looks like. It's nothing great on that daily. The 4-hourly's optimistic, and if you do bounce from here, that's the reason why. High, higher low, higher low, that's what we want. That's what it looks like it could possibly do. Only on a 4-hourly though, alright? Only on a 4-hourly. So as it is Friday, it'll all be wrapping up tonight. All the main markets closing. So what are you going to have left? You're going to have a bit of crypto. So whatever takes place on Saturday, it's likely to be an extension of the close from Friday. So, like I say, as of this moment, it does look like there's a good chance that it does bounce and close a little higher, and then Saturday, maybe a bit of continuation, and then a typical Sunday sell-off. But we'll have to judge it day by day. It is 10 to 7 at the moment, in the morning. It's a big day ahead of just general time and price action. I can only tell you what I see when I see it. You can't hold your hand all the way through the day to explain how it's going to continue to unfold. And you don't need me to anyway, because at the moment this is the setup for the day. Anything else? Not as clear as this. So if you watch this the moment it came out, a position could be made with a stop loss just below the previous wick, about 83,450. Right, thank you for watching. Hope you have a nice day. Take it easy.